Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to assign template to page on Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Shopify account. Once you're there, you'll see a tab labeled Online Store on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on that, as this section contains everything related to the appearance and organization of your website, including the available themes. Once you're in the online store section, look for the Customize button and click on it. This will take you to the customization page, where all editing and design changes take place. Within the customization environment, navigate to the top of the page where it says Home Page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the Pages option from this menu to view all the existing pages of your website and start assigning specific templates. Now comes the exciting part. Click on Create Template. This allows you to design a new page template from scratch or modify an existing one to better suit your needs. When prompted, name your new template. Once named, click the Create Template button again to save your design. After saving, click on the Exit button to leave the customization area. Now you're ready to assign this template to a specific page. Head back to the main menu and click on Pages again. Here, you'll see an Add Page option. Click it to begin setting up your new page. Give it an appropriate title and enter the content you want displayed. In the same window, you'll find a drop-down labeled Default Page. Click on it and select the template name you just created. This step is crucial because it links your new design with the page you're setting up. Finally, hit Save to apply all the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can assign template to page on Shopify. So that's all for this video. Thanks.